In today's video, I want to show you how to program the script of your reality. Now, that wording right there, programming the script of your reality, might have you confused. Like, what is the script and what do I have to program? It's much simpler than it sounds with those words, but you really have to start waking up to this now. In your create your own reality and spiritual journey, you have to wake up to the fact that you don't control every single aspect of your day-to-day activities. You are not controlling all of the actions that you think you are doing. And this is something that you can become more aware of once you make it an initiative and an intention to become aware of it throughout the day. There is this, not that there is this some external script or somebody else controlling your actions purposefully, but instead just you're living in a state, we all are living in a state which is semi-unconscious. That even in waking reality, when we are going about our day, doing the things that we think we are doing on purpose with awareness and intention, a lot of those things are actually just happening. And you can realize this for yourself, even just if you look at certain days that you have lived. Days go by like this and you're like, man, I didn't really even intentionally do anything. Like the day just happened. You know, start waking up to this after this video throughout your day-to-day life. When are you actually intentionally doing something with full intention and awareness? Are you going to the bathroom, or did going to the bathroom just happen and it's not something you even thought about? Are you the one doing the eating, or did lunch just happen and now it's over? Did you even experience the lunch, or were your thoughts completely somewhere else? Was your attention completely somewhere else? Are you the one working on your goals, or is that working just happening? Is that activity just random? Right? So many things throughout your day are not controlled by you. Now, from a psychology and scientific point of view, we're used to saying 95% of our day is controlled by the subconscious mind. Now, in the create your own reality terms, the spiritual reality transurfing terms, we say that there is an external script that is controlling all of your actions. And your journey through this process is to become more aware of this fact and become more aware throughout your day, not just like the 5 minutes or 15 minutes that you meditate every single day, but instead throughout your day, so that you can gain more control over your fate, of your life, of how your life unfolds, rather than letting all of you're basically letting your fate being decided by an external script. What is a script? A script, the script of your life is basically how your life is unfolding, the unfoldment of events on your lifeline. If you live your life unconsciously, the majority of your life will be decided by your external influences and not you. The more conscious you become, the more aware you become, the more control you will gain over your fate, over how your life unfolds. Okay? This is something you have to wake up to and take responsibility for. If you don't believe me right now, that's totally okay. Start to just become aware of this throughout the day. Start to really wake up throughout the day again and again and ask yourself, did I intentionally just do what I was doing for however long, or was it just happening? You know, you think you're doing it, but like your attention is completely somewhere else, absorbed by something else, and it's just happening. You didn't necessarily even choose to do those things. Okay, so as long as we are living unconsciously, which most of the world is, our lives are going to be controlled by external influences, other people, the media, whatever else, external pressures, pendulums, whatnot. And if you do continue to live your life in this way, what you'll notice is that you'll find yourself in a place where one day you think, man, why aren't things the way that I want them to be? Why am I living this life that feels so unoriginal to me while I'm chasing the things that I can never seem to get? And why am I unhappy? If you feel like that right now, chances are you have largely given up your control of your life to external influences by living unconsciously. But that's okay, because that's the first step to waking up to this realization and changing your course of your life. Okay? And starting to program intentionally the script of your life. By program, what I mean is starting to create a destination for where you want to go. Having a clear vision of what would make you happy, the life that you actually want to live, the person you actually want to become, the things that you actually want to be doing every single day, the people you want to be surrounded by every single day, the activities that you want to be doing for fun, for work, on the weekends, the foods you want to be eating, the places you want to go, the city you want to live. All of those things comprise your desired reality. They make up the reality which is most resonant with you. That would make you the happiest. So, first step to programming the script of your life is to become much more clear about what it is that you do want. A lot of times I'll do coaching calls and everything like that, and a lot of the time I spend with people is just getting them crystal clear on what they want. Because see, as long as you have vague goals, you will get vague results. But once the destination becomes more clear, naturally the subconscious mind will start to bring you towards that image. So see, you can still live unconsciously somewhat, but as long as you have a clear vision for where you are going, then the script will actually operate to get you to that goal. Okay? So let's just start over. If you are living unconsciously and you have no real clear intention or goal, destination, then your life is just going to be a bunch of randomness. It's going to unfold in a way that, you're not really controlling. You think you're controlling, but you're not really controlling, and you end up in a space where you're like, why am I living this life? Now, once you get clear on what you want to do, what you want to be, what you want to live, that end goal starts to become more clear. Now, by constantly thinking about that end goal, by constantly thinking about it in a way that it has already been achieved, constantly feeling the emotions that you would feel if it was already achieved, and living your day from that energy, if you manage to do that again and again through mundane, every single day practice, because that's what is required, practice, if you manage to do that now, even if you are living your days unconsciously without awareness, naturally what the action that will unfold, the events that will unfold, will be programmed in a way that they get you to your desired reality. Doesn't matter how slow it is, doesn't matter how fast it is. That is all dependent on your intention, the power of your intention, the degree of your resoluteness in your decision to have that reality and to embody it here and now. So if you are moving slower than you'd like to, you have no one to blame but your own intention, your own lack of mental clarity about what you want. Okay? So, first step, get very clear about what it is that you do want. All right? And now, throughout the day, you have to make it an initiative to wake up. What do I mean by wake up? Usually you're used to living in your life in a way where just constant thoughts, right? Your attention is going here and there, and the day just happens. Now, start waking up moment by moment. Bring your attention away from what is going on outside and away from what is going on inside. Stop having your attention fully engrossed within external reality, but also bringing it away from your thoughts and emotions and whatever else is going on internally. Simply bring it into the middle and become present. Notice that in this moment you exist. right? Just become that space of nothingness, just that stillness. Once you achieve that, once you have some sort of clarity about being in the present moment and just being here, you don't have to do anything. Just be here for a few moments. Now, take your clear image of what it is that you want to achieve, right? And start to think of it in a way, or visualize it in a way that it has already happened. So see, this is a very big distinction. You are not thinking about your desire in a way that you are here, your desire is over there, and you have to achieve it. Instead, you are activating a visualization or activating some thoughts in your mind right now, like you are already over there and that your dream, your desire has already occurred. Now, with that life being reality, how does that feel? Right? What comes up? How do you feel now that that's already done? What are you thinking now that that's already done? What is it like to have all those things in your life, those people in your life? How's it like to be doing those things every single day? Start having those thoughts, right? How are you feeling? Are you giving thanks? Are you feeling relieved? Just say your goal was like, you want to be living in a mansion in, Los Angeles. Okay, now that that's already happened, what is that making you feel? What are you doing every single day in that mansion? Now, what is your goal that you already have this mansion? It's already done, right? If you're looking for love and you want to manifest a relationship, without focusing on a specific person, okay, now that this relationship is already done, right? Like it's already a thing. How are you feeling? What are you doing in that relationship? What are you getting out of it? How does it make you feel? What does it make you think about yourself and the world? Right? So start activating that right here in the now. That is you embodying the energy of your desire in the now. It is basically you bringing it from over there into the here. And now start to take any sort of action, go about your day with this energy. So don't just forget about this energy while you're going about your day, right? Visualization will not be as effective for you, and this exercise will not be as effective for you if you just do it for 15 minutes or so, and then throughout the rest of your day, you're in that victim mindset again. You're in that state of, I'm over here, my goal is over there, and I have to work hard to get it. If you continue to do that and you continue to fall into it, then it will be harder for you. Then this process will move much slower. Then again, you are letting the external script completely take over your process of creation. If you actually want the script to work for you, you don't necessarily have to figure out all the things that you have to do, all the means that you have to organize to get to the end goal. All you have to do is carry this energy over from this maybe 5 to 10 minutes into the rest of your day. And once you start doing everything in your day with the energy of your desire already being fulfilled, now naturally everything that will start to unfold are the very things that will get you there. Now the script of your life will be literally adjusted to get to that destination. And this is the process of you programming your script, the script of your reality, to the goal that you have set for yourself, the intention that you have created, embarked upon. And if you start to do this day by day, first, you will actually come to a bigger realization of how much of your day you are living unconsciously, completely subject to that external script. In the beginning, it might be a little intimidating. That's totally okay. Breathe through it, become more aware of it, and start to take conscious control over this process. Once, you start doing that and you start getting used to it, you're going to have to really practice waking up throughout the day again and again and again and again, and constantly reactivating the energy of your desire, of your desired reality, by just asking yourself those same questions that I asked you earlier in this video. And you could even use this video to, get yourself into that mood. You could take any sort of symbol or picture or question, set of words, anything to get you into that energy of your desire. Again, though, It has to be the energy of your desire already being fulfilled, not just you thinking about your desire like it will be fulfilled in the future. Because then again, you see the huge difference between those two things. One, your desire, in one of them, your desire still has not been fulfilled and you are waiting. In the other, your desire has already been fulfilled and you are in the energy of fulfillment, of joy, of intention being manifested. One creates the reality that you want, the other creates a reality in which you are waiting again and again and again. So in order to program your reality, the script of your reality successfully, create the energy of your desire here in the now, and then start to live and embody that energy throughout your day. Whatever it is that you are doing, even if you're doing the same exact things as you were doing before, day to day, now start to do them with the energy of your desires already being fulfilled. And once you start bringing that energy into this reality, into your current space, now everything in your reality has to start moving forward, has to start shifting to something different that actually reflects that energy back to you. When we talk about mirror reality, that's what we mean. State of being, energy creates the reflection. This is the real image, that is the reflection, reality. So once you bring the future energy from your desired reality into the here, and you start to embody that for large periods of time throughout your day by day, things start to shift. Even the actions that you thought were the same things you were doing every single day will start to alter in a way, will start to bring you different results, will maybe even change entirely. Be completely open to how it has to unfold. Don't be rigid in how your goals have to unfold. Don't be rigid in the script. The script is not in your control. Allow it that freedom. The more you try to control the script, the more you will actually end up battling with the script and falling into it. So let go of all of that. It's a waste of energy. Simply constantly embody the energy of your desired reality into the now, into the now, into the now. Wake up, bring it now. Wake up, bring it into the now. And then allow whatever action to unfold, and just know that everything is unfolding as it should. Everything is going according to plan. Everything that is happening is bringing you to that destination that you have programmed the script to go towards. All right? That, my friend, is the process of programming the script of your reality to bring you to your desired goal or desired reality. Practice this. You have to practice this every single day, again and again. Watching the video is great. It's making you feel motivated, but practice is all that will help. Okay? If you want to further learn this process in detail and learn how to create your reality from within, click the link in the description box below and get coaching with me one-on-one. All right? Like this video if it brought value to you. Share this video with a friend who would also find it valuable. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.